Hey everyone, thanks for joining the channel again. If you like what you're seeing, please remember to like the video, comment down below, and definitely subscribe to the channel. So yeah, I've just got the Ethereum USD chart here, and I've got the weekly candles here. And what I wanted to just talk to you about today was actually a bit more of an overview of where we've been. So obviously, in the very recent few weeks since, kind of end of July, Ethereum's been on a really nice run. If we take it from this wick here up to where we are currently, I mean that's gone up in in just a number of weeks. It's gone up 126%, which is really great, and we're kind of as was posted in the last Ethereum video, we're looking at hopefully in the very near future be testing and breaking that prior all-time high. But I wanted to kind of just take a bit more of a market perspective and look at where we've gone. And looking back to the previous kind of bear market, where we had this long accumulation phase, if you like, and we look at some of these prices down here: $133, $320, back down to $139. It's crazy to think that these prices were just just a couple of years ago. But it shows where we've come from if we take this kind of measured move from sort of one of the bottom areas that we really saw for Ethereum up to the top of the wick. I mean, we're looking at like a 5,000% rally there in 3 years. And that's really interesting. And we will have this, and people are going to be saying, well, this will never come again. That's simply not true. You can see here, I mean, 588 days that people had to accumulate Ethereum, and that's a couple of years. And people will say, oh well, that may not never come again. Again, that's not true. We will have these accumulation phases. You could argue potentially that this phase right here, when everyone was sort of freaking out in May, the prices, I mean, the price dropped. If we take it from the wick, the prices dropped 60%. But then from kind of this week that was taken, I mean, we had 63 days that shows there before we ultimately started to trend back up. So we're going to have times, and people will say that this was a good time, and I think ultimately we're hoping to obviously get up to a $10,000 Ethereum, and if we did just kind of look at where that would be up here, I mean, to get there, we're looking at roughly another 160 or so percent move from Ethereum. But if we we're going to have these times, we're going to have lots of times where we're going to be able to to come back and to accumulate Ethereum again. But it's important to see that that these long bear markets happen where nothing happens. Nothing will happen for many months at a time. And when that time comes, all we need to do is make sure that we are accumulating whatever crypto we're interested in again. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly talk about Ethereum. Thanks for listening, and yeah, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.